The topic for discussion is Water Act 1974. And this act is also known as Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act. And this was enacted in 1974 to provide for the prevention and control of water pollution and for the maintaining of restoring of wholesomeness of water in the country. So you will get the information of this about act in our NIC website was also, that is CPCB, Central Pollution Central Control Board. CPCB stands for Central Pollution and Control Board, and this website is hosted by NIC. So there you'll see that under the water pollution, you'll find this information. The Water and Prevention and Control of Pollution Act was enacted in 1974 to provide for the prevention and control of water pollution and for the maintaining of or restoring of wholesomeness of water in the country. Now, you should know two important facts to tackle the MCQs based on this. First, that this Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act was enacted in which year? 1974. And it was amended for the first time in 1988. Okay, now the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Cess Act. Remember, the first I was talking about this Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act. Now I'm talking about the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Cess Act. It was enacted in 1977 to provide for the levy and collection of a cess on water consumed by persons operating and carrying on certain types of industrial activity. So this means Cess Act is to just take cess or collection of cess on water consumed by those persons which are operating and carrying on certain types of industrial activity. We know that what does it mean by industrial activity, right? This cess is collected with a view to augment the resources of the central board and the state boards for the prevention and control of water pollution constituted under the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974. And the last time this act was amended in 2003. Okay, so the 4 important facts we have got. I'm again summarizing the fact that this Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act was enacted in 1974. This act was first amended in 1988, and to collect cess with respect to this Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act, we have another act, that is Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Cess Act, and that was enacted in 1977. And last time this Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act was amended in 2000. That's enough for this act that you need to know. Now, by the term water pollution, we know that what's going on in our country, in everywhere in big cities, we can see those things that are polluting our water. In Guwahati, you will usually see that like Borolumuk, you will see this type of garbage is thrown into the water, right? So that is polluting the water, and because of that, the whole environment is being polluted. Similarly, you will see some industry outlets or this type of outlets being again thrown into the rivers. That is polluting the rivers and the ecosystem there. So as a citizen of India, we should try to stop it as far as possible from our own hand. Like, don't use those plastic bottles, or like means try to avoid this type of things. Or if you see these things are happening, you try with your base or with your friends to stop it, okay, or to draw the attention of the government. So with this, I'm ending this lecture. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye, take care.